Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a profile backlink and also we can create a FAQ backlink on this site. So the website name is marantfund.net. This is a website dashboard. But the thing is, this website is highly related for the gaming industry. So if you are in the same and if you wanting to create backlink in the gaming industry, so this is a best website so you can create a relevant backlink for your business, for your website. Okay, so this is a website dashboard. So before the started, we can resolve something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 28, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 40 and the spam score is only 5%. And according to C ranking, this website drawing 867 monthly traffic, and the mostly traffic from USA, Italy, UK, Germany, India and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, then must you guys will create your backlink on that site. So now we have completed our research process. So now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please you can hit the subscribe and like button. So you can see this is a website dashboard. So you will see there is a registration button. You can click on this, and there you guys will add your username, and you guys will fill your email ID. And after that you guys will choose your password and you will verify the captcha, and after that you can acknowledge the terms and conditions. Then after that you will wait a couple of seconds. There you will see the seconds are counting around 20 seconds. After that you are able to register on this site. So now we are able so simply you can click on the register button and you will see our profile is created. So you can see this is your profile. So first you guys will create over there, and after that you can click on this button, edit section. So from there you guys will able to upload your profile picture, and you can click on the OK button. And now the time is to we can optimize our profile. So you will see there is a account details button. You can click on this, and you will see there is a location icon. So you guys will update your location, and in the website section you guys will add your website URL, and in the occupation there you guys will add your main targeted keyword. So suppose that top interview management system / jobma. This is title of this my index page. So I wanted to use this, so this things should be increase our search intent. Google will understand so what is this about. So after that we can update description, and if you wanting to you can insert your hyperlink any of your targeted keywords. So if you are using in about section, and after that once you guys will complete these things, so you will see there is another social channel. So you guys will update your social accounts, social URLs over there. Once you guys will complete all the things, so you guys will create you guys will click on the save button. So our profile is saved now, and I will show you. So you can click on your profile section, then after that you can click on your username. So you will see this is your profile landing page URL, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see this is our website backlink, and I will show you this is a no follow or do follow. So you can see this is 100% no follow backlink. So we have created our profile backlink on this site. So now the time is to we can create forum backlink and the FAQ backlink on this site. How we will create? This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So you can simply click on the latest trainers section. Okay, what is new? Trainers list. From where I created. Let me select any of one. Actually, I just ago I created yeah, so you can click on the new post. You can see, if you are able to see in the breadcrumb section, so there is a new post icon. You can click on this and you will see this is a post thread button. You can click on this and you will select any of the your related category. So game training and the reports are the game training supports, and this is a general description. So you can click on this and there you guys will add your thread. So we are not relating to the gaming industry, so that's why I can add something multi-stage interviewing. I'm just adding these things. So how you guys will create your thread backlink on this site, FAQ backlink on this site. So I'm just doing these things. And if you're wanting to insert a hyperlink, any targeted keyword, so you guys as well, you guys can do as well. And suppose that multiple rounds of interviews, this is my keywords what I wanting to insert backlink, and you can click on the insert button. You can, if you wanting to, you can make it bold. So once you guys will complete these things, so there you guys will add your targeted keywords or tags, and after that you can click on the post thread button. So you will see this is your threads landing page URL, that means your FAQ landing page URL, and this is your FAQ, your question, and this is your answer, and what we have did these things. You will see we inserted our backlink, so this is a no follow backlink. So this is a process for the profile creation and the FAQ submission on this side. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details of the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so please, it's a humble request to you guys will hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.